How to configure the Fridgetech 2L by Berlinger. Feel safe. Every unit has a factory default high alarm of 1 minute above 1 degree Celsius. Set a high temperature refrigerator alarm for 1 hour above the alarm temperature threshold of 8 degrees Celsius. Use the read and set buttons to change the duration of the high alarm from 1 minute to 1 hour. When finished setting the duration, characters will stop flashing. Next, choose the alarm threshold temperature. Press read and the first on-screen choice is blank. Blank is for positive temperature, minus is for negative temperatures, and 1 is the 100th digit and is only in Fahrenheit mode settable. To set a high temperature refrigerator alarm, take the following steps. Press set 1 time to accept the first digit, which is blank, as the positive temperature. Press the set button and commit the 10th digit, which is already 0, to memory. Press the read button to scroll through the 1st digit until it says 8 and press set to commit it to memory. Then the 0.1st digit will be blinking as a 0. Press set to commit that digit to memory. Set low alarm. Next, it will say low alarm and duration. Every unit has a factory default low alarm of 1 minute below 1 degrees 0. Set a low temperature refrigerator alarm for 15 minutes below the alarm temperature threshold of 2 degrees Celsius. Once all the above steps are completed, the Fridgetech 2L is ready for use. Connect it to the external sensor, providing the external sensor has been in the refrigerator or freezer for at least 2 hours.